Good day guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to be showing if you are washing a car, a pickup, whatever it is, something that's hard to reach or something you need an extension for. I recently picked this up. I've had others before. They eventually kind of break. Wasn't for sure about this one, picked it up and was super impressed by the quality of it. Wasn't going to make a video until I started taking this out of the box, seeing the quality of it, and I was like, I have to make a video of this. I have to bring it to you guys because it might be helpful for some of you. So the first thing that's in the box is, I'm about to back up, is this really long pole here. So this is a extendable pole. You can just twist that in. It will extend twice the length of the handle. So this is going to be for your stuff that's harder to reach, higher up. If you're doing like a trailer, a motorhome, a camper, a pickup, something that sits taller that you need that extra extension for a wash mitt, a wash pad to wash the top of it. And that's what this is. So I picked this up from Griot's Garage. Very, very impressed by the quality of this. It has a nice soft grip rubber handle. It has a spot you can hang it up. It has a very nice locking collar. You just unscrew that and it'll slide out, and then you can lock it and it will not slide in or out. Very impressed by the quality and the weight of this extension. Then also in the box is the piece that your wash pad is going to go on, and it as well is threaded on the inside. It's kind of dark in here, it's hard to see, and then it has a locking collar, so it threads on to the tip of the wash pole, and then basically all you need to do is you just put it on. You're going to screw this on until it gets snug, and then you have this nice locking collar that I was talking about. As you can see right down here at the base, it has the collar that comes out, so it's going to lock it onto the pole. So you're going to screw that down, and that is going to lock this onto the pole. So you're not going to have to worry about the head of this unscrewing or coming loose because you have this really nice locking collar on it. It's kind of hard to show because it is very big. I'll back up again. You can see the length of it here. It will go twice this size. And then you have a nice swivel head so you can get around grooves, anywhere you're trying to get that might not be a flat surface. So that is the extension, the handle, and the head for the wash pads. And then the wash pads come in a nice bag. It comes with 2 of them. That's why I was like, this is a really good deal. Personally, I felt like, and then I opened it up and I was like, this is a really good deal. But this is the bag. As you can tell, I have opened it. It's the microfiber wash mop heads, as they're calling them, wash mop pads, whatever you want to call them. There is 2, so you can dedicate a dirty one and a clean one. So if you're going to do a whole car, you can do the top with one color, and then you can do the bottom with the other. I pulled one of these out to look at them. Very soft microfiber to trap the dirt and stuff and to help reduce scratching and swirling onto your paint. And then I turned it over and I saw this backside and I was super impressed with this. So it has 2 Velcro parts. You undo those, and then that is going to be how you put it onto the head of your pole, your handle, if you will, your extension. Has these nice slits in it so it opens up. So very easy on, easy off to clean, to wash these up, but they are going to be very secured. It's some heavy duty Velcro. Very, very impressed by that. So if we're putting them on, you're just going to put that flat, and then this will, actually we'll do it like this so you guys can see. I'm gonna try to do it backwards. It's gonna be a little bit challenging. So it's just gonna slide over both sides, just like that. Get that side, and then this corner. That's what I really like about this. It is a nice, tough, strong filling material. You're going to get that closed up, put those Velcro pieces down, and now it is secured onto the head of your extension, of your handle, for getting those harder to reach areas. So very, very impressed by this. Really, really like the quality of it. Like I mentioned, I got it from Griot's Garage. I'll throw a link in the video description down below. And I'm just going to show real quick, just kind of washing with it real quick so you can see how nice it makes it for getting those hard to reach areas. It does have plastic screws that would be replaceable. You could upgrade those to metal if you want. Me personally, I wouldn't. But it is very nice, great quality, very soft, microfiber. And this is going to help out washing tremendously for me with my pickup. Okay, so that extendable wash mop is very, very nice. Love the quality. It's got a nice feel in the hands. It's got some weight to it. It's not too heavy so it doesn't wear you out, but you can tell that it is a quality product. I do like it a lot. Actually, I love it a lot. It is a very, very good purchase that I've made. It was inexpensive for what it is and the quality, and including those 2 microfiber wash mop heads. You just can't beat the price, personally. So hopefully this video helps you out if you're washing something big, or like my pickup, just getting to the roof is very tough. It's challenging. It is higher up. There's really no way to get it. I have a tonneau cover, so I can't get in the bed. So this just makes it very, very easy for doing the tonneau cover, roof, windshield, back window, hood, all of that. You can use this to do your whole car. That's why there's 2 of the wash mop heads included, because you can use one for the clean surface for the top, and then use the other for the lower parts that have more soiling on them. But I absolutely really like it. I know I'll use it all the time. I always used one on my pickup. My last one broke. It was just a cheap one. I got this one. Very, very good quality. So like I said, I had to bring a video to you guys so you could see it. Hopefully it helps you. Maybe you have a camper or a pickup or something that's bigger that is harder to reach like I have. So maybe this will be something that you would like to maybe take a look at, get one, or something similar to it. But I want to say thank you to all of you for stopping in and checking out this video. Remember to smash that thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, turn on all post notifications, and I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.